Hi you guys, so today I'm actually going to do a style transformation. If this is the first time that you guys are seeing me, I generally look like this most of the time. My style is more pinup and more 1950s, 1940s. It's kind of like my happy place. That's where I generally live. When I do makeup, I do something fairly simple, always a winged liner, pretty frequently red lipstick, and my hair is usually curled like this, and yeah, I like this. It's a pretty typical makeup look for me, but I'm actually going to combine two different makeup like trends that are going around right now. So I'm going to do a style transformation, and I'm also going to do the style transformation following another YouTuber's tutorial. I decided to pick somebody who I love their channel but has a completely opposite style of me, and I decided to turn myself into It's Black Friday. So I picked one of her more like usual makeup. So she has like a couple of tutorials that are more colorful, but I decided to pick one that was more indicative of what she wears on a daily basis. And yeah, I tried to make myself look as much like her as possible. And yeah, so here you go. Here's to the tutorial. So I put on a black wig. This is my friend's wig. I tried to make it look as much like her hair as possible without destroying the wig because, you know, it's not mine, so I didn't want to destroy it. But I'm going to be using this video right here. So this is Everyday Goth Makeup Tutorial 2. And this is the one I'm going to be using because it seems like her most common look, like her most everyday look. I am just going to get started. Let's get this all lined up here.
Hey everybody, I don't know if it will be as weird to you as it is to me, but I've now been on YouTube for 3 years.
Okay, I think she talks for a little bit.
YouTube was Everyday Goth Makeup Tutorial 3 round years ago. That's so fucked up. I was absolutely terrified to put myself on YouTube, but now it's like
So I'm actually just going to skip through.
When I made my first video, I did this every day. If I'm going anywhere where I want to wear makeup, I do like the same thing all the time.
Yeah, she does pretty much do the same look all the time. I mean, I do too, so.
You should wish to do something similar, or you're just curious as to how.
I don't do it every day though. I never wear makeup to work.
I'm going to apologize for the fact that you have to see my...
Okay, so I already know that I'm going to have a problem with the eyebrows because I don't shave off my eyebrows. I know that she does. And I forgot to get a glue stick because I actually decided last minute that I was going to do this tutorial. Well, I mean, I've been like planning it for a while, but I just had time this morning, so I was like, I'm gonna do it. And then I forgot to get a glue stick so I can't block out my eyebrows. We're just gonna make it work, but I'm gonna try and get them as close to hers as possible.
Face without makeup on it to start. I'm sorry, really am, but these things must be done. You have to break a few eggs to make an omelette. So here we go, let's begin.
She's so cute.
Alright, I start by applying a primer.
Oh wait, so she starts by applying a primer. I have this one from Urban Decay. This is Optical Illusion Pore Perfector, so pretty much the same thing. And she puts it on with her fingers, so I'm gonna put it on with my fingers. I mean, I usually put it on with my fingers, so it's not so bad.
Or pore filler. I can't see a fucking thing, so while that sets, I pop some contact lenses.
I also don't have red contact lenses.
I spend the longest time putting foundation on. I apply it with a knockoff beauty blender with a rapid patting.
This is from Makeup Forever, and this is the 12 Flash color case. And I'm just gonna use this white. As you can see, I've used it lots of times.
Using the pointed end for getting into awkward parts around the nose. After After liquid foundation, I set that with a white powder.
Yeah, she's way farther ahead than me. Okay. And this is Wet n Wild, and this is just a mattifying powder in Matte About You, and it is stark white, so it's the only stark white that I have. God, I am so pale.
I also put white grease paint on my neck.
It's pretty much what I just did.
And ears. I use a matte
ears, but my ears aren't going to be showing.
Fluffy brush to make it look like I have cheekbones.
Okay, it's matte gray eyeshadow. Okay. I have this one. This is in Flint by Cargo Cosmetics. And she does what?
Narrow fluffy brush.
Narrow fluffy brush. And then she gives herself some cheekbones. Ooh. I was trying not to go overboard on it, and then I was like, but it's Black Friday. Go for it. A little bit of an intense contour.
To make it look like I have cheekbones.
You do have cheekbones, girl. You have beautiful cheekbones.
I also contour along my
Okay.
and blend it out using a big fluffy brush in circular motion. Shadow on a narrower brush and cut a sharper line in my cheeks.
Jaclyn Hill palette in Abyss.
Sharper line in my cheeks. Tres Death Rock. I fill in my eye sockets with the same matte grey as before.
Fills in her eye socket with a fluffy blending brush. Okay, got this with the gray. She doesn't use eye primer though. Does she? I don't think she uses eye primer. Okay, and it looks like she's going into her inner corner and then she's going underneath. Lots of blending.
Then I put white or occasionally another color on my.
She puts white. Alright. And she uses a flat brush. So let's grab that flat brush.
lids.
Okay. She kind of goes over her lid and then underneath.
Put white under my nose to highlight the Cupid's bow too. I carve a crease atop my eyelids with black eyeshadow.
Girl, okay, Cupid's bow. Alright, and now she uses a black eyeshadow.
Pencil. This time I'm using eyeshadow. Then comes the eyebrows. I regularly shave my natural eyebrows completely off and keep that area smooth. I draw them on with a Sharpie style eyeliner.
I'm just going to do my best with my natural ones, and I'm going to use this pencil because I don't have a jumbo Sharpie style that she has. Mine are going to be a little bit thicker than hers.
And I use the same eyeliner to draw an oversized cat eye. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Her wings are like way out there. Okay. Wings to the heavens. Alright. And she kind of goes underneath. She go all the way underneath. No. It's like halfway.
I take a waterproof eyeliner and create sharp points on my inner eyes leaving a space open.
Okay. Hers are way more intense than mine. Falcon eyes. Clearly, this side came out better than this side.
Then a very fine liquid liner to create sharp points on my eyebrows. I am basically not breathing while doing this.
Okay. Give this another go. I can't with this liner, it's way too thin to fill in my whole brow with. Okay, well I think that the points are fine, but I am gonna switch to a different product to finish. Oh, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm just going to use that to fill in the rest of my brow because the liner will take forever and it'll waste a lot of product. They're a little bit thicker than hers are. A lot thicker than hers are. But, you know, just make it work.
And to perfect any untidy parts of the cat eye, I also brush on bottom lashes.
Okay. Oh, and she adds fake eyelashes on the bottom.
Thick black eyeshadow pencil is good for filling out the cat eye shape.
Something like that. There it is. Waha! Fill in the shape. Ah, okay. Aw, man. I'll have to fix that in a sec. How does she use all these jumbo things? I find the precision to be so difficult. Does she blend out? Please tell me she blends. I like her cat eyes are way more intense now.
Then I blend that out with black shadow on a brush.
Thank you. Oh, mascara. That's right. Probably gonna pop on some falsies.
I line my waterline with either a soft white or red pencil. My white is all gone.
Soft white. But, you know, she's doing red, so do some red.
So I'm just using red. Then put glue on a pair of false lashes.
Okay.
Immaculate thing is clean.
While the glue sets, I do my lips. Black lipstick is my standard.
Okay. So while that glue is setting, let's do our lips. She says black. Doing some black.
Then fill them in with lipstick.
I do not have black lip liner, so I'm just filling in. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette because their black lipstick is bomb. I think she overlines her lips quite a bit, so I'm gonna do that.
When I inevitably get some on my piercings, I just wipe it off with a baby
I don't
wipe.
have piercings. Not in my face. I have them in my ear.
False eyelashes get stuck on. And the final touch.
Okay, so she is adding a beauty mark. I actually have a beauty mark already right here, but she puts hers on her cheek. So that's what I will do.
Lastly, I spray my face with the makeup setting spray so that it all stays on.
I'm not gonna set my face because I need to take it off. So, yeah.
Longer.
So yeah, this is my everyday makeup. If I want to do something a little bit more.
Okay, so this is the final product. I know that my brows are way thicker than hers, but there's nothing I can really do about that. What do you guys think? Do you think that I did a good job? Let me know. I freaking love Freya. I think that she is fantastic. This isn't my style, but I love watching her videos because she is just freaking so cute and she has like the sweetest personality and I just love her. So yeah, I'm going to go put on some clothes and, well, like some Freya inspired clothes, or it's Black Friday inspired clothes. And yeah, I will show you my complete transformation.